So welcome back. Seems like I've got a lot more time to work on the boat because me, along with almost everybody else in the world, our life's changed because of this whole virus thing, and so it seems like I got a lot more time on my hands being forced to stay at home. So I kind of saw that this shutdown was coming, watching what's happening in the rest of the world, so I went and bought some plywood and bought some materials before it all happened, so I can get some work done, anticipating that I'd be stuck at home trying to figure out what to do. So I currently am in my boat. As you can see in the window behind me, it's still covered with a blue tarp, which I'm hoping to pull off of here once I get a day that it's not raining, and get the canvas top back on it. And I'm first going to start working on the interior of the cabin, and so far I've actually cleaned it up in here and put a coat of paint on where the bed is in the lower part of it, just to keep the dust down and the dirt down, and to make it a little cleaner to work in here. I have purchased some plywood that I'm going to use for building the cabinet for the galley, as well as the door for the head. I already have a toilet ready to go for it, a brand new one. Purchased that quite a while ago. Near the end of the winter, I found online a used Norcold 12 volt and 120 volt refrigerator in good working order at a really good price, so I picked that up and put that in here. And I have a sink I bought from IKEA quite a while ago. I also have a Kenyan alcohol electric 2-burner stove that I'm going to use in here. Had to get a couple parts for it, but I got it working well. Tested it with boiling some water in the garage, and seems to be working just fine. Hoping to get videos up a little more frequently now that I can get back to working on it. I've already cut a piece of plywood and test fit it into the front of the cabin at the end of the berth to block off the anchor locker. Still need to make a couple pieces for the side, but at least that's fit. And I already started making a template and cutting the wood for the galley cabinets. So anyway, hopefully I can get some more videos out here fairly shortly. This is just a quick little update of where I'm at with this. Hope you guys are all staying healthy, and I'll be back soon.